This skill, we're going to be demonstrating how to provide denture care. One of the things you want to note is the equipment that you need for this skill. You're going to need a washcloth, and this is just to line the sink. You'll notice that it also says that you may use a basin, and that's just to fill up with water, and that's to do the dentures over that. But in our case, we're just going to use a simple washcloth to line the sink. It's much quicker for you. You're going to need a pair of gloves, and I have a paper towel here just for infection control. Your dentures are already here inside the cup, and then, of course, you're going to have toothpaste or whatever paste they have for you. This is a denture brush. Some places may not have a denture brush on test day. They may just have a regular toothbrush, and that's fine. This is for lower parts of the denture, and this end is for upper parts. But again, don't worry about the brush. As long as they have a toothbrush, you're fine. Now we're ready to start the skill. The first thing you want to do before you do anything with those dentures is put your gloves on. After you get your gloves on, you're going to go ahead and line your sink. Okay? Your dentures are going to be in a denture cup with a lid. Your dentures, they could have uppers or lowers in there. Whatever they have in there for test day, that's what you're going to brush. They shouldn't have both, but if they do, just brush both of them. You're going to pour that water out for right now. You're going to go ahead and get your denture brush or your toothbrush, whichever one. You're going to apply some toothpaste on that. You're going to take your dentures. You want to first rinse them off in tepid water, which means lukewarm. You never want hot water on dentures. They can cause the dentures to lose their shape, and that's not good. Dentures are expensive, and so you don't want to injure your patient's dentures. Then you're just going to brush all surfaces of the dentures. The gum areas, the teeth area, in every aspect. Doesn't matter which way you go. Just make sure you cover every part of that denture. Again, that cloth is just down in there in case these slipped out of my hand. It wouldn't fall right on that hard sink and hopefully not break. So you want to be careful when you're utilizing or holding these dentures and keep a good grip on them. Remember, you want to make sure you brush all areas. Okay? Once you've brushed all areas, you're ready to rinse them off. Make sure you rinse them off very good. Okay, just lay them there for a moment. I'm going to rinse this out a little bit. Lay that there for a moment. You want to take your cup, rinse it out. Rinse the lid. Don't forget the lid. The step says cup and lid. Remember, you can't do part of a step. You have to do the entire step. Then you want to fill that cup up to place your dentures back into nice lukewarm water. And they're ready for your patient whenever they're ready to put them in. Go ahead and rinse off that brush again. Make sure it's okay before you store it away. Okay. You can get rid of this here. We're going to take this linen that was lining the sink, and we're going to take it over and dispose of it. Okay? So we're going to put that in the wet, and we'll go back to the sink. Once you've gotten rid of your linen, you're going to remove your gloves. Throw them away. You say to the evaluator, I would wash my hands. This skill is now complete.